it's more than changing light bulbs and tightening faucets. Everyone we have here is skilled labor. In their field, they do well, and if we need to, we could probably build a school. My name is Jeff Bolt. I am a maintenance manager. I started my career in 1993 as a painter one's position. I worked for about a year and a half, 2 years as a painter journeyman. I went into plant operations for 2 years. My hat's off to those guys every day. I've been a painter since I was 18, so I reached back into the paint department. The painter lead was a big position that was kind of my turning point. From there I went to the paint foreman. Meantime, there was an open position up at North County where I'm at officially now for multi-service, multi-trades foreman. A little bit more experience with more trades. From there, I moved to the manager spot up here at North County. Leadership U was a really great program. It kind of helped me recognize what type of leader I am. The encouragement from my foreman and my managers, the director, as I went along this path, that was big as well. There's always a time during the day where we have to roll up our sleeves and go to work and support our guys the best we can, whether it be getting equipment out to a job or supplying them, getting them materials, watching them grow and becoming the leaders that I knew they could be. That's been exciting. We have opportunities outside of your discipline, much like me, going from the painting world and going to a multi-trades foreman. The opportunities are what you seek. I believe in training yourself and reaching out for more.